Do you want to get high-quality job opportunities sent automatically to your email? If your answer is yes, then watch this video. The platform that we are talking about is Solid Gigs. Solid Gigs is a freelancing site, but not quite like Upwork or Fiverr. Preston Lee, a freelancer himself, established this site. As a successful blogger, Lee recognized the same issues that most freelancers experience. These include a lack of access to job opportunities as well as a lack of exposure. Lee founded Solid Gigs in response to these basic issues, with the goal of making life simpler for struggling freelancers all across the world. With only 50 members, the site began on a limited scale. Today, the site has over 400 active users who have made a living as freelancers, thanks to Solid Gigs. In addition, they claim to generate more than $50,000 every month from their subscribers. Imagine a filter that will eliminate all of the scam sites and job offers that aren't worth your attention. Solid Gigs takes care of all of that for you. Right after you sign up and tell them the kinds of freelance gigs you want, they search dozens of sources to find your ideal clients. The company has a staff of service providers who examine hundreds of freelance job listings from a lot of different sources like job boards. They then hand-pick jobs worthy of your consideration and list them for you. Then you get alerted through your inbox every weekday when they find a good match. Your leads are not only sent to your email address, but are also organized on your Solid Gigs dashboard. When you find a gig you like, click Send a Pitch button where you are forwarded to its original source. Send your pitch, close the deal, and book more freelance work every week. Through this process, you win more of your ideal clients and grow your freelance business. According to the platform, Solid Gigs is not a freelance marketplace like Fiverr or Upwork. Instead, they are a lead generation tool you can plug into your existing freelance business. They don't take a portion of your client's paycheck. Instead, they are an affordable, flat-rate leads generation tool bringing you fresh leads every weekday. As a result, you spend more of your time on the work that you enjoy doing rather than wasting time on lead generation, which is something that many freelancers do on various freelancing websites or marketplaces. The Solid Gigs sign-up process is pretty straightforward. The site functions similarly to a blog with an email list, so all you need to do is input your email address and you're set to go. To become a member, you do not need to meet any eligibility requirements or complete any qualifying examinations. You can try it for 7 days free of charge, after which you will be billed $21 a month for an annual subscription, or $35 a month for a monthly subscription. It may not be free. Nonetheless, the majority of users believe the platform is worth every penny. Just look at what real freelancers are saying. If you want more content like this one, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos.